revise our lesson. First, you can explain what the microscope is and type of it.
Teacher, I can do it.
Sure, Gardner. Then this is the chance. Come forward and explain to others.
Hi friends, I'm going to explain about microscope. Microscope is a laboratory instrument that are used to examine objects. There are three types of microscope. They are single microscope, compound microscope, and electron microscope.
Very good, Gardner. Then who can explain about the simple microscope?
The simple microscope is a small device used to magnify image of an object. This microscope can be produced by fixing the angle with the frame to convex lens. This microscope is also known as hand lens.
Convex lens and hand.
Who can say that that is? Sure, sir. Come and complete it.
When we use this microscope, we have to consider the distance between the lens and the object. When the distance is increased further, the object will become more clear.
Very good, Sahan. Please raise hand whoever you know the meaning of magnification or resolution.
Teacher, I can do it.
Sir Shasantani, come and do it.
The number of a tile is known as magnification.
Resolution is the minimum distance by which 2 points must be separated in order to be seen as 2 distinct points.
Well done, Shasantani. You explained it very clearly. Now, what about you? Can you explain us what is called light compound microscope?
Just digital compound microscope is made of two convex lenses. It is called the compound microscope and it is also called the light microscope because the light is blue.
Excellent, Younger. Okay, now let's see the parts of the compound microscope. This is the first part is the eyepiece, and here it has used a convex lens. This is body tube. The function of the body tube is connect these eyepieces and these objective lenses. Here we have two knobs. The large knob is called fine adjustment. The large knob is called coarse adjustment, and the small knob is called fine adjustment. Here we have stage clips. We use these stage clips by fixed slats onto the stage. This is base and this is stage. This is here we have three objective lenses. They are low power objective lens, mid power objective lens, and high power objective lens. I want one of you to explain about the electron microscope. Please come and do it.
Hi friends, I'm recall on it. An electron microscope is a microscope that uses accelerated electrons as a source of illumination. As the wavelength of an electron microscope can be up to 1 million times shorter than that of visible light. Photoelectron microscope have a higher resolving power than light microscope and can reveal the structure of smaller objects.
Did you do the assignment I told you to last week?
Of course, teacher.
Then Gayatma, come and read your one.
The correct method to use the compound light microscope. First, keep the microscope on a horizontal table steadily. Second one is use the coarse adjustment knob to bring the low power objective lens down. Third one is adjust the mirror and the diaphragm to obtain a clear spot of light by keeping the eye open on the eyepiece. Fourth one is stick the prepared slide on the stage using clips. Fifth one is bring the low power objective lens upward using the rough adjustment until a clear image is obtained. Make sure that both the eyes are open during the process. Keep the comfortable eye at a distance of 1 cm to the eyepiece. Sixth one is try to obtain a clear image using fine adjustment. Seventh one is a sharp and clear image could be obtained by adjusting the middle and high power objective lens if necessary. Eighth one is use the rough adjustment to bring the low power objective lens upward after the observation. The last one is remove the specimen from the stage. Use a dry piece of cotton cloth to whip the stage. Thank you.
Very good, Gayatna. Did you do the another assignment I told you to last week?
They are considered by use of microscopes. When the microscope is carried from one place to another, the arm of the microscope should be held by your familiar and the other hand should be kept below the base of the microscope. Then hold the microscope toward your body. Wipe the stage using a clean piece of cotton after the microscope. If the microscope is not used for a long period of time, the lenses should be removed and placed inside a desiccator with silica gel or anhydrous calcium chloride. The microscope should be stored in an upward position to minimize the accumulation of dust. Use clear side and cover slips in the observation. Do not change the lenses of one microscope currently.
Very good, Sansada. Those answers are correctly. Sandasi, what is called magnification power?
Magnification power is the ability of a microscope to produce of an image larger than its actual size.
Thank you all of you. Our class is over. Actually, this is the presentation. Our science teacher, Mr. Sahan, told us to make this presentation. We thank you, our teacher, to your guidance. I am Vidushi. These all are my friends.
And that
I am Sahan.
Thank you all.
we are red rabbits.
Thank you.